Hello, my dear students. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Myself, Miss Ocean Andrandis, teacher from St. Paul's School. My dear students, in previous video, we have learned about the body movements. In this video, we will be doing the revision, and in that I'll be asking you some question and answers. So before that, we will be doing the reading of the lesson, the body movements. So everyone pay attention with it.
Now, first, let us read the lesson. Lesson number 1, the body movements. Page number 5. Our body help us to make many movements. Let us learn about the body parts which help us in our movements. Our eyes help us to read and see things around us. Our mouth help us to talk and to chew our food. Our neck help us to turn our head. We are able to work with our hands as our fingers and thumbs can bend. Our arms bend at the wrist and at the elbow. We are able to move freely because our legs bend at the knees and at the ankles. The toes of our feet can also bend. We walk, jump, run, dance, and do a number of actions and movements with our body. Now we will begin with question and answer. Now first we will begin with dictation words. Look at the chart. First word, mouth. Second word, chew. Third word, head. Fourth one, fingers. Fifth, thumb. Sixth, elbows. Seventh, wrist. Eighth, knees. Ninth, ankles. And 10th one, toes. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. First one, our arms bend at the dash and at the dash. So the answers are our arms bend at the wrist and at the elbows. Second one, our legs bend at the dash and at the dash. So the answers are our legs bend at the knees and at the ankles. Third one, the dash is the most important of the 5 fingers. The answer is the thumb is the most important of the 5 fingers. Question number 2, name the following. First one, 2 ways our hand help us. Answers are to write and to throw. Second one, 2 ways our legs help us. And the answers are to run and to jump. Question number 3, true or false. First one, our eyes help us to read. The answer is true. Second one, our mouth help us to walk. The answer is false. So my dear students, what will be the correct answer? The mouth help us to talk and chew our food. Third one, the toes of our feet can also bend. The answer is true. Now question number 4. Pay attention, my dear students. Answer the following question. First one, which body parts help us to write? And the answer is our hand help us to write. Our hand help us to write. Second one, which body parts help us to walk? The answer is our legs help us to walk. Our legs help us to walk. Now next question is question number 5. Match the following. Write the answer from the B column. Now my dear children, look at the A column. First one eyes, second one neck, and third one mouth. Now look at the B column. A1 help us to turn our head, B1 help us to talk, and C1 help us to read. Now we are going to pick up the answer from column number B. Now what was the first question? Eyes. So what does eyes does? It help us to read. So see the answer column. The first one help us to read. Second one neck help us to turn our head. And third one mouth help us to talk. And the last question will be activity. Draw, name and color two parts of the body. Now this activity is for your homework. So my dear children, each and everyone is going to do this activity in your notebook. Draw, name and color two parts of the body. I hope each and everyone understood the lesson, the body movement. Now I have given you the question answer. Each and every child is going to copy down this question answer, and whatever activity I have given you as a homework, each and everyone is going to do this homework. And my dear students, each and everyone is going to learn the dictation words, the 10 dictation words which I have given you.